Want to delete your account on Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Now let's get started. To permanently delete your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Account Center. Then select Manage Accounts. Tap Manage. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select Delete Account. Then tap Continue. If you have a Threads profile linked to your Instagram account, you'll be warned that your Threads profile will also be deleted. If you still want to go ahead, tap Continue. Choose the reason you want to delete your account. Then tap Continue. You may be given advice on how to deal with the reason you want to delete your account, other than deleting it. If you still want to delete your account, tap Continue. Read the information and options presented, then scroll down and tap Continue. Enter your Instagram password for security verification, then tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete Account to confirm. Your request to delete your Instagram account will then be submitted. After 30 days, your account and information will be permanently deleted. If you change your mind, you can log back into Instagram within those 30 days, and you'll have the option to keep your account and cancel your account deletion request. That's all it takes to delete your Instagram account. Want to delete your other social media accounts? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.